Marty. I'm 43 years old. I flew from Finland coming here just to do my eyebrows. It's been bothering me since I was 17. I keep on drawing my eyebrows all the time. So when I see on the website about Hair Smile Clinic, then this is the answer. I trust in science and doctors.
You're just drawing every day?
Yes, and I've been doing microblading and I'm so tired of it now.
You tried any other things?
Powder tattoo, but it fades and then you have to do it again. But this surgery will finish all those problems. So eventually real hair will come.
Good morning once again. I'm Dr. Ahmedov. I'm your surgeon in charge for today's procedure. It is nice to meet you. You are here for the eyebrow transplantation surgery, right? I think you have always had like a thin eyebrows.
I've always.
Yep. Okay. You had the eyebrow tattoos, no microblading, lasers procedures. Okay. You had one previous hair transplantation for the hairline back in 2011, right?
Yeah.
So it's like 13 years ago. What are expectations regarding the shape of the eyebrows? I can see you have some shape. You want to keep it the same or like change it a little bit?
I can draw my eyebrows.
The same, I just put the permanent marks there.
Yeah.
Okay, in the part. Okay, let them get you ready for the surgery. The first step will be the local anesthesia. Okay, after the local anesthesia is done, okay, it may take up to half an hour to set up completely. So we'll give you a small break. You can listen to the music and watch the TV. Okay, we have Netflix, YouTube, whatever you want. No problem with this one. With the more sharp angle, and then it starts a small tilt to the corner. So when the hair grows, they basically lay over each other, creating you a fuller look of the eyebrows. The idea here isn't like to put super high density, no. The idea is to place them under the specific angle and direction, so when they grow, they overlap with each other. And the same goes with the other eyebrow. Slightly more straight, and then a small tilt to the corner, giving it a more natural look. So direction, angle is the key for the success and a good, beautiful outcomes of the surgery.
I grew up with very scarce eyebrows, so it's always been my insecurity. I used to draw my eyebrows every day for like half of my life, so I was thinking of the better solution, and this is the best one. Imagine waking up in the morning and then you're not yourself. Like until you draw your eyebrows, then you feel confident going out. I know it's kind of just in the head, but that's me. In different countries, there are different beauty standards. If you go to Asia, fair skin is the beauty standards. If you go here, you make your skin more darker. It's different, but maybe nowadays the trend for the eyebrows is like natural, and then you just brush it. You don't put anything much more on it. So I love that trend. Yes, that's true. That's true. What's important is how you feel. If you have the confidence and happy about it yourself, then all will be good.